Check out one of my audiobooks, ebooks, paperbacks down in the description below. An earthquake around Acapulco, Mexico City area occurred on September 7th, yesterday, 2021. And during and a little afterwards, people started seeing these lights in the sky. Different colors, different sounds, variation in frequency. And it's not the first time it happened. It's like a regular occurrence whenever there's like earthquakes, volcanoes, just natural phenomenon. And I try to see what the explanation was for it, and there isn't. They got theories, hypotheses and whatever, but nothing solid. But the stupidest one I've heard, seriously, a lot of people commenting on these videos, that it's transformers blowing up. How could it be transformers when it's going off in the sky, in the clouds? I've never heard of flying transformers. I don't know. And the most plausible one is that there's like an electric charge that flies up in the air, sort of like, I think they call them lightning balls. But that could be possible. But it's still kind of strange, man. It's still kind of weird. Like, my theory as far as some of these UFO sightings from the government is that it's actually something natural from the earth. Something like this. Which is why it's able to travel as fast as lightning. But I don't know, man. You guys let me know what you think.
Wow. Holy fuck.
Check out one of my audiobooks, ebooks, paperbacks down in the description below.